Yeah, a snake. How can you get a snake? Is there sea snakes?
That would be some kind of fish, an eel or something.
Oh, down on the chute. Oh, that's torture. For that little snake or whatever it is.
Did you get it when you...
Yeah, I'm videoing him. Oh, down the hatch.
This one is one of the fish is still alive too.
How's that feel in your belly, little guy?
You can see it moving his chest.
I'll come back from work. What else can I find out here?